In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Instagram Instants. Instants are this new annoying thing in your messages. You can see down here in the bottom right, these are instants. I don't know why they're there. I don't know why we need so many ways to share something. You can do the same stuff in these bubbles up here, so we don't need these instants. So to turn these off, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, scroll down until you see content preferences. Tap on that. Then at the bottom, go to hide instants in inbox. Toggle that on. Also, might as well toggle this on too. That's annoying. Reset the app to see these changes and go to my messages and instants are no longer there. Beautiful. Love to see it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.